Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you a great strategy where I will use Bollinger Band and moving average and can do use live market and OTC market as well. This strategy will give you great performance and accuracy. We will add indicator. First of all, we will add moving average indicator and then changing to will a semi and we change color to and now we will and your other indicate. Here we will change setting to Phi SMA and we will make color to gray and change setting to now we'll add Bollinger Band where we will change setting to 20 and we will 20 and 2. And we will make more we'll do background color to more dim.
And now.
That's all. When moving average to yellow color, the white color moving average, we will open trade. But at the same time when moving average will cross middle line, then signal will more perfect. Let's start radio. I will add OTC in average to will disappear. Wasn't moving average 5? So we will open a buy signal here. Bowling green mean is in uptrend moving average to cross moving average 5. Yellow is moving average 2, white is moving average 5. I hope that we will win the buy trade here because moving average 5 is crossing Bollinger Band moving line and moving average 2 is also above the Bollinger Band. This is a strong signal here. I'm sure we'll win trade. For any kind of help, you can subscribe to my Telegram panel, where I'll keep you update about my next video, and we will finally we'll open a sell signal here because moving average 2 is below Bollinger Band middle line, and a red candle below Bollinger Band red line. This is why we opened a sell child here. Guys, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos where I'll keep you up to date with new strategy, and you can subscribe to my Telegram channel with link in description. And if you're not already member of Pocket Option, you can join with our link in description and become our team member. Amazing will win the ray. This is normally a strong signal when moving average 5, well color and moving average 2, yellow color, crossed the Bollinger Band line. We'll open a sales thread here because red candle closed below moving average. Bollinger Band the line, and moving average to crossing moving average 5. Let's hope we'll win the thread. Guys, study is very simple. Just you need to practice in demo account. Then you can live live. The Pocket Option demo account link is in my description below. You can open the account and try in demo. Guys, believe in the treat. We'll open a trade here because moving average 2 is crossing moving average 5, and the red candle is closed moving average above moving average 5. Pride House after touching the low Bollinger Band, and I hope that price will go above and this candle will close green. This signal is the boot less stronger than the one when all the moving average cross that Bollinger Band, and then we open that thread. Guy, here we are win the trade once again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, Jenny. I'll come to you with new video. Thank you.